make it all the way across. Just about there. And down. I did it!
Awesome.
All right. Next, I have to figure out how to do the monkey bars backwards. I mean, it shouldn't be too hard, right?
Yeah.
First hang, then reach behind, then hand behind, hand behind.
What?
Oh, Franklin!
Are you all right?
Yeah. Ow. No.
Oh, no.
My ankle really hurts.
Don't get up. You've probably twisted it. I'll go get my mom.
Ouch.
I'll wait here with you.
Thanks.
Does this hurt?
Ouch.
Oh, dear. You twisted your ankle when you fell, so now it's sprained.
Thought so.
Am I gonna get a cast? Like when I cracked my shell and everyone signed it?
Actually, Franklin, the good news is the bone's not broken. You don't need a cast, just a brace.
Oh, okay.
Cool.
This'll support your ankle so it won't move. It'll heal much quicker that way, but it might be difficult to walk.
Difficult? Nah. Nothing will stop me from having fun. Yes.
You're very brave, but no monkey bars for a few days, okay? You may feel a little better, but you need to be very careful with that ankle.
We'll make sure that he is.
My friends can't sign my brace, but at least I can show them how cool it is.
Oh, I almost forgot. Here's an autograph book. Your friends can sign this instead.
Coolio! Thanks, Dr. Bear. Hey, Bear, want to be the first one to sign it?
Yeah.
My turn.
Sure, yep. Ooh.
We're home.
Franklin!
Hi, guys. Hey, son. Wow, that's some hardware around your ankle.
It's a brace.
Oh, my.
Dr. Bear says I have to wear it so I can get better faster.
What happened? Why are you walking funny?
I sprained my ankle and now I'm Franklitron, the mighty robot turtle.
I'm Harriet the robot turtle. Clank, clank. Clank, clank.
Hi, Bear.
Morning, Franklin. I came over to see if you needed help getting to school.
Thanks, Bear, but I'm fine. Oh, this brace is too big for my bike.
That's okay. Let's just walk.
Okay.
Hey, not only does your brace look really cool, but you can pick up leaves with it too.
Hey. Ha! I can do everything I could do before, and more.
Except ride your bike.
Right. But I can do everything else.
Franklin the leaf collector coming through! Right this way. Aha!
I know. Let's play Acorn, Acorn, Peanut.
Okay. Sure.
Hi, guys.
Hi, everybody.
Oh, hey there.
Hey, Franklin. How's your foot?
It's actually my ankle. Dr. Bear said I sprained it.
my.
Oh, then you'll need help walking. Everybody knows that.
I want to help too. I'm a very good walker. I can walk all right, except for all the leaves that keep sticking in my brace.
I'll do it. You were so nice when I sprained my tail. Now it's my turn to help you.
How long do you have to wear that thing? Dr. Bear said about a week.
At least you didn't have to get a cast. But if you had one, we could sign it.
Guess what? Dr. Bear gave me this for my friends to sign.
I signed it first.
Bear's mom sure is smart.
So, what are you guys playing?
We were gonna play Acorn, Acorn, Peanut.
That's my favorite game.
Franklin, there's kind of a lot of running around in that game.
Bear's right. Why don't we play something else?
Hi, I can still run. Come on, let's play.
Okay, but be careful, like Mom said.
Okay, thanks.
I'm the peanut picker. Acorn, 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 peanut.
I'll catch you. I'm gonna get you. Oh.
Your turn, Fox.
Okay. Acorn, acorn, peanut.
Yes! Here you go. You can do it, Franklin.
Go, Franklin!
Oh, kids, I don't think it's a good idea to have Franklin run with his brace.
I'm okay, Mr. Owl. Look, I can run.
Let's not take any chances. It's time for class. Come along, everyone.
Okay. Mr. Owl's probably right, Franklin.
Yeah, I guess.
Today, we're going to learn about magnets and metal. Rabbit, would you please bring me that box from the shelf?
Sure thing, Mr. Owl. Whoa! Oof. Sorry, Rabbit.
Oh, my.
Huh?
Wow.
I was going to talk about how magnets stick to metal, but now we can actually see how that works with these magnets and Franklin's metal brace. Thanks for the demonstration, boys.
That's
Neato.
You're welcome.
Come on up, everyone.
On our way! Come on, Bear, let's go.
Franklin, maybe you shouldn't climb up here. What if you slip?
I guess you're right.
Let's play something on the ground.
I like hide and seek.
good idea.
I like it too.
Woo! Yeah! Yay!
Okay, I'm it. Everybody hide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ollie, ollie, oxen free. Ready or not, here I come. Found you. So fast? Sorry. I heard you walking around. Well, there's another game I can't play. Found you too.
No, you didn't, Goose. I came out to see if Franklin wanted to try to play something else.
It's no use. Thanks anyway, guys. And my ankle's starting to hurt now, so I should probably just go home.
We could bring some checkers down.
Or play whatever else you want.
You pick.
It's your choice.
Go ahead.
That's okay. Bye, everybody.
Bye, Franklin.
See you later. Come on, Franklin. Let's play robots. Clank, clank.
I don't feel like playing, Harriet. I'd rather just sit and wait until my ankle is better. Whenever that'll be.
Take a look at these, Franklin.
Huh? Is that you, Dad?
Yep, I took a nasty spill on my bike when I was about your age. See, accidents can happen to anyone, but you'll be good as new in no time.
I don't know. I've had this brace for only one day, and it feels like it's been forever. It's always getting in my way, and it makes too much noise, and it stops me from doing all my favorite things.
It'll get better soon, son. Take a look at this one.
Whoa! You painted that with your other hand?
When my arm was in the cast, I did lots of things I normally did, but in a different way. Like painting with my other hand.
That sounds messy.
It sure was.
I'm not going to be having any fun as long as this brace is on.
Well, maybe this is your chance to try doing something in a new way, Franklin.
Hey, Franklin.
Hello.
How's your ankle today?
Not so bad.
Great. Want to walk to the tree fort?
Actually, I've got a better idea. I know we usually ride our bikes to the tree fort, but I figured out a fun way to get there just as fast, even with my brace. This is for you,
Thanks, Franklin.
and this is for me. And listen, it even makes a cool sound.
Good thinking, Franklin. Your scooter rocks.
You said it.
Yeah!
Gotcha.
Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. Jack jumped over the candlestick.
Hi, guys. Hi, Franklin. Feeling better today?
A little better, thanks.
That's great.
Oops.
I'll get it. Wait, did you hear that?
Hear what?
This beat I'm making with my brace. Coolio, huh? I made it on the scooter before, too.
It's true. I heard it. Go again.
Wow.
Awesome.
I hear it now.
Hey, let's try it together. play too.
Franklin, how did you come up with such a cool idea?
Well, all I had to do was start thinking about new stuff I could do instead of all the usual stuff I couldn't do.
This is something new we can all do together.
Yep. Yesterday, this noisy brace was just getting in my way. But that was before I discovered it made all these cool sounds.
Thanks, Franklin. This is the best new game ever.
If only I could just do like this. Huh?
Class?
Why is Mr. Owl calling us?
Class?
I don't know. Let's go see.
Yeah, let's go, go, go! Are you calling us, Mr. Owl?
Yes, art class is over. It's time to go home, everyone.
Why didn't you just ring the bell like you always do, Mr. Owl?
I tried, but it isn't working.
Really? Hey, Franklin, let me take a look. Hey, there's no dingy thingy.
Snail is right. The bell is missing its clapper.
Huh? What's a clapper?
It's the little piece of metal inside the bell that makes it ring.
Oh!
It's a real mystery where it went.
Can you get a new one?
I'll ask Mr. Mole if he can order one. It might take weeks to arrive, though. I'd better rest my voice if I have to keep this up. Bye now.
Bye, Mr. Owl.
See you tomorrow.
Find one.
Bye.
Good luck. Did you hear that? It's a mystery. Let's solve it.
Yes.
Sure, but maybe we can fix the bell with something else until Mr. Owl can get a new clapper.
We could, but why don't we just solve the mystery now? That'd be way faster. This is definitely a case for the Super Cluepers.
Okay.
Let's Super Clueper do it!
We are Hook Whiz,
Everybody knows that.
Mega Bear,
I am Mega Bear.
Kid Gizmo,
Awesome.
Galaxy Gal,
Oops.
the Giggler, funniest guy ever, Thunder Boy,
I am Thunder Boy.
and I am the Green Wonder. Let's Super Clueper do it! Okay, Super Cluepers. We all heard the bell this morning, right?
Right.
Sure did.
So the clapper was in the bell this morning. That's our first clue.
Clue number 1. Got it.
Okay, everyone. Time for a Super Clueper clue search.
So where do we start searching?
Well, we need to spread out and go in different directions.
I know. My magic wand sends bubbles flying everywhere. Just follow the bubbles and start searching for clues.
Follow those bubbles.
Let's go!
Let's do it.
We're looking for the thingy that makes the bell go dingy.
Ooh, beautiful. Well, it's not a dingy thingy, but this feather sure is a pretty thingy.
Look out!
Ouch!
Sorry, Green Wander.
Sorry, Mega Bear. Well, Cluepers, anything to report?
No dingy thingy.
Maybe we should go ask around and see if anyone saw or heard anything.
Okay.
Great idea.
Hurry.
Hi, Mr. Heron.
Good morning, Franklin.
Did you see the dingy thingy?
The dingy thingy?
From the school bell.
The clapper.
Because it's missing.
And we're going to find
So
it.
have you seen it, Mr. Heron?
Oh, slow down, kids. Well, let me think. I did hear the school bell this morning on my mail delivery route, but there's nothing mysterious about that. Ay, now that's mysterious. My lure's gone missing.
Oh no! What's a lure?
It's the shiny, silvery thing you tie at the end of a fishing line that attracts the fish.
Oh, you're right, Mr. Heron. It's not there.
Right. So now we have a second mystery to solve.
2 mysteries? Wowzles.
So what do we do?
I think we should solve them both. What do you say, Cluepers?
2 mysteries.
Mr. Heron, when did you last see your lure?
I remember hearing it going clink clink against my fishing pole when I walked here this morning.
I'll write that down. He heard it go clink clink this morning. Second mystery, clue number 1.
Okay, Super Cluepers, time for another clue search. We're looking for a little thingy. A thingy that goes clinky clinky.
Mega Bear, can you check under this rock?
Sure thing.
Nope, no clues here.
Ooh, there's another one of those super pretty, super soft feathers. Here you go.
Ouch! Sorry, Green Wonder. Sorry, Giggler. Not again. Did anybody find anything?
Nope.
Not me.
Hey, there's lots of shiny silvery things at the junkyard. Maybe I could use some gizmos and make a new lure for Mr. Heron.
But that doesn't solve the mystery of where the lure went.
Yeah.
True.
Yeah, you're right, Green Wonder. So what's next?
Hey! Mr. Heron,
Huh? Oh, how's the search going, kids?
Not so good.
can you think of anything else that happened around the time the lure went missing?
Well, Mr. Groundhog was fishing with me earlier. You don't suppose he took it by mistake, do you?
Let's go ask him. To Mr. Groundhogs, everyone! To Mr. Groundhog!
Mr. Groundhog.
Let's do it.
Well, let me know what happens. Adios, kids!
Now, where did it go?
Hi, Mr. Groundhog.
Hi.
What are you looking for?
A dinghy thingy?
He means a clapper.
Or a fishing lure?
Both?
I don't know about those things, but I accidentally locked myself out of my own house.
Oh, no.
I always keep my spare key right here, and now it's missing.
Another mystery.
That makes 3.
Whoa! 3 mysteries to solve all at once?
This is the best Super Clueper day ever.
So, when did you last see the key, Mr. Groundhog? And what does it look like?
It's small and shiny. I hung it up here this morning before I went fishing at the pond with Mr. Heron.
That's clue number 1 for mystery number 3. Boy, it's getting harder to keep track of everything. Mr. Groundhog saw his key this morning. Got it.
Super Cluepers, you know what to do. It's clue gathering time.
Great!
Wowie!
Oh, let's go!
Okay, Thunder Boy, you get a closer look.
Thanks. Nope, no key under here.
Oh, brother.
It's not here.
Hey, who turned out the lights?
Oops. Sorry, Thunder Boy.
That's okay, I'm fine.
Ooh, another feather.
Has anyone found any clues?
Nope.
Nada.
Nope.
Oh. Sorry, we're not really being much help, are we, Mr. Groundhog?
Oh, that's okay. I guess I'll have to go into town and see Mr. Mole and get a new door lock.
We haven't been that much help to anyone all day.
Yeah, all we've been able to find are more mysteries.
Maybe Kid Gizmo was right. Maybe we should have tried other ways of helping.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess so.
You were right, Kid Gizmo.
Thanks, you guys, but I haven't helped anyone yet either.
Well, let's start right now by helping Mr. Groundhog. Any ideas?
Maybe we could get in through here.
But how? It's too small.
Not for me.
I'll lift you up.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, try it now. Yahoo! Ride 'em, cowboy!
Good job.
Thank you, Super Cluepers. I don't know what I'd have done without you.
Problem solved. Where to next, Kid Gizmo?
To the junkyard! Wait up!
Hey, we can use this. Ooh, pretty.
There you go.
Coolio.
These wind chimes will make great fishing lures.
Haha, muchas gracias, Super Cluepers.
Oh, I'm just so delighted that you fixed the school bell. Mr. Mole said it would take at least 2 weeks to get a new one, and all that hooting and hollering was making my head ring like a bell. Ay, ay, ay. However did you come up with such an ingenious idea?
Well, at first we kind of got carried away trying to solve all the mysteries, when we should have listened to Kid Gizmo. He had the idea to make a new clapper out of junk from the junkyard.
And we also made some great new lures for Mr. Heron.
And we helped Mr. Groundhog get into his house when he lost his spare key.
We never solved the mystery of all the missing things, but we sure helped out a lot of Woodlanders.
Wonderful!
Yeah! Hey! Oh, look! There's another feather from my new collection.
Hey, where'd you get all those coolio feathers?
Well, this is the second one I found under this tree. Then there was one at the pond and one at Mr. Groundhog's.
Those are clues!
Yeah, they are!
They're all black. It looks like they could be from a crow.
Look, up there. There's a nest with the same kind of feather stuck in it.
Really?
And there's something shiny sticking out of it.
Of course! Crows love to collect shiny things. Everybody knows that.
Thunder Boy, you ready for a bird's eye view?
Let's do it.
You got it.
Wow!
Yep, it's all here. The clapper, the lure, the missing key, and a whole bunch of other stuff. Awesome!
Looks like the Super Cluepers have solved the case again.
You mean all 3 cases.
Yay!
Yay!